In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get real-time traffic to your website using this platform, Quora. So Quora is an American question and answer site. So on here, you ask questions. If you find them difficult, and you answer questions if you think you're a professional too as well. So let me show you guys how to do this. So I have this website here. I created it myself for tutorial purposes. If you watch my channel, you're going to know this website. So this is some copy and paste something I just did here. So let's say I want to promote this sort of article on my website. So what I need to do is just copy the link like this. Good. I copy the link here, and then I copy the intro here. I already have it copied on my clipboard, so I'm going to do that, but I'm showing you guys how to do this. So now you hop on here like this, hop on Quora like this, create an account if you don't have one. So on here, you can search a question here, or you can ask yourself a question and then you answer it. So adding a question, you tap on this here. Good. So you make it public so everybody can see it, and then you ask the question. So the item you shouldn't buy online. So you can make it why you shouldn't buy online in 2025, and then you add the intro as the answer, and you add the link to the website so people can, click on the link and then go to the website you're trying to promote. So now here I want to answer rather. So I think answering is the best option. So I ask the question here. You just move to the search here and you ask items you shouldn't buy online in 2025. So I have it here. I open the new tab here. This is my search results. I got items you shouldn't buy online. So I think this is a perfect fit for me. What are the disadvantages of shopping online? So I open that here like this. Let me open that on a new tab here. Good. So you can see these are the answers. So this is the first answer here, has 9.4k views and 5 upvotes, just like Reddit. So I think I have a tutorial on how you can get traffic from Reddit too as well. So I've written an answer for this, but I'm going to do another one here. I can edit it. Let me choose a new question. Let me choose a new question here. Expensive stuff. Okay, so let me just choose it and use it for the tutorial. And after that, I delete my answer, because my answer is not going to match with it. And you can see this has 702 votes, upvotes here, and over 23,000 people have watched this answer. So to answer the question, you just need to tap on this like this, and then you paste your answer. Let me move to my clipboard here, and I paste it here, and then at the end, I add my article link. So my clipboard, I add it like this. You can see items you shouldn't order online. So let's say the question was referring to stuff you shouldn't buy online like that. So now I post it like this. Good. And that's my answer here. So this is my, I think, first time answering a question here. So that's why. So this is how my answer is going to look like. People are going to upvote like this, one view and the rest. So this is not an answer that is best for the question. So let me delete it. So that's it on how you can get traffic from Quora to your website, legal one. So when you link, when you add a link to your answers on Quora like this, it's not going to serve as a backlink. I forgot to talk about this. It's not going to serve as a backlink. At first, it was going to serve as a backlink to your website, and Quora has some good authority, but then now it's not going to serve as a backlink. So if you think you'll be doing this for backlink, it's not going to work. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section. So that's it for the video. Peace.